I'm going to give you a walkthrough for lesson 7 and how you're going to add style to your page. I already set up my HTML. As you can see here, I have H1s, I have a HR, which is a horizontal rule. I always call it horizontal line, but it's technically a horizontal rule. I have my H2. I included an unordered list and a P tag, which is a paragraph. So this is everything that we have done in lesson 4. This shouldn't be anything new. Now, one thing that they already did for you is your CSS is already linked. You don't have to link it. Later on, you will. I don't like the fact that lesson 7 pre-linked it and created a style sheet for you. Now, there's nothing here. Whenever we add a new style sheet, it automatically sets up some of the basics, and then you can just change them. So you have to use a selector. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to type selector. My selector that I am using is going to be my body. And I have to make a rule set for it. What do I want to happen? So for my body, I want to have a background color. And this is where you're going to decide. You can pick one of these colors. I like dark violet. That's kind of dark. Let's see. One thing that is nice is we get this lightning bolt. And now if you're like, oh, I want a purple, but let's go with a lighter purple. And you can pick the shade. And then it's going to change it to an RGB value. And then I can break it up with a semicolon. After that, I want my H1, which is my selector. I'm going to give my selector of an H1 the rule set to text align center. And I want it to be purple. We'll do the darker purple on the lighter purple. And let's say I want everything else to be a different color. I could add this in my body so I don't have to individually do a color aspect for everything. That's probably, yeah, that's definitely too light. I'm going to go here. I'm going to go with the purple colors and let's see. Go kind of, let's see what this is going to do. There. Now notice it undid everything and then I had to refresh and save, right? So now I have, now notice since I set my H1 to be purple, but then I changed my color up here, it changes everything. In this way, I don't have to set my H2 and my unordered list and my paragraph tags all a certain way. If you want everything text align centered, you can also do that in the body. But this is just a very basic of how you can add style to your page.